Afternoon, boys. Yeah, news in 3 minutes. That's why I just wanted to jump on just before that news come out, because that core PCE is very fucking important. It's looking same as previous, so we'll see how it comes out. But afternoon, my fucking people. Buys active, yeah, buys active. This is the fair value we was looking at this morning with EU. That price already come into, but obviously what we was looking for is looking for that secondary push to take Asia's low, which we've now actually taken, which is nice. DXY's come up to the 4 hour as well, which is perfect. We've now filled that 4 hour imbalance. So we'll see what price wants to do now, man. Yeah, any trades today see? For sure is high as fuck. He's high as fuck. But yeah, for me, nothing, boys. So far today, what we was looking at this morning was the buy to Asia high, but we just didn't have that sweep of Asia low. DXY didn't sweep the high, so he's left with a lot of liquidity. But I love what we've done today so far. This is really nice for some potential shorts on the dollar. We've got to see how the PCE comes out. We've literally got 1.5 minutes now, so we'll go over that when that comes out. Filled the imbalance. As you can see, this is the trading range we're in, the daily range. We had that lovely move to the downside. We've had this lovely push to the upside now. So for dollar to come down will be perfect. In terms of our external, we're still looking at our main external 4 hour at that prior week low. So we've still got loads of room that we can move to the downside for the dollar. Again, we need to see how that comes out. But we'll see if we get any trade throughs in the 5 minute after we have this news come out, and then we'll see if we can get some potential sells. But that is pretty much what we're looking for here. Let's wait and see how that PCE comes out. Very fucking important. Quite a big indication. You're not wrong, bro. Yes, Tommy, what we saying, Brody? Been a crazy morning for GUEU today. Yeah, it was just unlucky, man. Like bare unlucky. The buys in the morning were so nice if you was able to get in. Obviously, I didn't get in because of Asia. We didn't sweep Asia's high. Sorry, Asia's low. Pound's been very bearish. Look at EG, it's already at the prior week high. Massive. But yeah, I'll keep my eyes on GUEU. GU's now taking up prior day low. It's still so bearish, so we'll see. We'll have to ever need more data coming from the pound really to actually dictate. But I'm now pretty much dictating this move up. But again, we're going to have to see how this PC comes out. We've got Canada's GDP as well. That come out, still not showing me. Ooh, GDP come bad for GBP. Dark, if you got that trade, thank God. If you didn't, I don't know how GC is doing now. Let me have a look at GC. Back up now. So yeah, core PCE come out at 0.3, which is forecasted, so not going to have too much movement here. Let's get a little bit of info from that data point. A really nice pulmonary buy in here for the potential trade throughs. We trade through 5 minutes. Could use this 15 minute just because we are like pretty much, I know we haven't taken prior day low, but we are just want one fair value, which is more given to us on this 15. But if inflation staying at 0.3 does sort of still signal that the Fed is still going to cut. So that's why it's not massively bullish for the dollar. We've had a little bit of a rebalance from that dollar from how that news come out. But again, we need to see where we really go from here. Dollar's still up about 0.25% for the day. Really sensitive to Fed policy. at the moment due to the euro is just because of the divergence between interest rates. Because I don't think we shouldn't really have a massive sell-off due to that being on forecast. But again, that is sort of bearish. You got a new mic? No, it's what mic? What mic am I can listen to? 2.6 please. Right. Damn, snooze a week recently. I can't make money off them now. I made less than $20.
What do
you mean? What do you mean, bro?
Oh, but
this is the thing, bro. You trade news. This is the thing with trading news. Like, you have such a you don't like you got such a higher chance of losing and losing more than what you think you're risking. So trading news just isn't worth it unless you're sitting there with a Bloomberg terminal and at least 2-3 analysts next year. I feel like if you just try and trade news, it's gonna be bad for you, especially if you trade it on retail platforms. Realistically, most news traders should be on institutional accounts if you are sort of trading news. But it does signal that dollar is the Fed is still going to cut interest rates. Inflation not coming lower, inflation not coming higher. If PC come out higher, that would have been good for the dollar. So obviously that would have signalled a bit more. Oh, I've got both of my mics on now. Sorry, that should be better, boys. That should be better. But yeah, we anticipate this move up now, really, for EU. Just got to confirm how we react in this 5. No closures above yet. My boy blew 100k funded trading over speech, pal. Yeah, it's just donut. What a donut. It's not worth it, boys. It's just mad not worth it. There's no point. I promise you, everyone in this market, the big money in this market, nowhere news is going to go just minutes before. That is why there's heavy manipulation during news. Could start seeing this move up now. Are you profitable? Yes, I am, bro. Looking for these closures on these 5 now. Am I still echoing or am I alright? Let me double check. I think it's alright now. Still echoing or am I alright? Oh, sweet. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much where we should be going from this news. No trades there. I don't trade Fridays, boys. I don't trade Fridays. Let me turn the mic down a bit, Jesus. Also, I joined the Discord, but didn't see the journal template you mentioned before. Prod, if you go into the Discord now, and just get into try and locate the announcement in the members section. If you go to mentorship content, let me fucking make my screen bigger. If you go to mentorship content, it's you see that there. See where it says announcements. Just underneath mentorship content. If you go in there, bro, just go up. And the date I sent it in was last year, 27th of November, I think it is, yeah. Rich S Journal and video. It's annoying because you can just see my fucking other monitor. But it's that one there. The link's up top and then the video for it is below. You buys, not yet, boys. EUGU, not yet. Chill out, boys. I would say more EU. I'm sort of more favouring the Euro. But yeah, we haven't had any trade throughs yet, so I'd say hold your horses. Have I got hair in my coffee, bruv? When you drop game on a girl, do you say you're a profitable trader? I don't drop game. I'm a bit past that now, bro. When you're a trader, you don't look for women. You know they're a waste of time. We're pissing about a lot. That's clear. Oh, not in mention about that channel. Give me 2 secs, bro. Let me send it into the free chat. 2 secs. If you go in the free chat, bro, it should be in there now. GU buys anyone? I think GU's a lot more difficult than EU. The pound's a lot more weaker for one. I mean, we might start getting a rebalance in EG. You're better off with a 1 hour though, because it's at the prior week higher. But we're so bearish on the pound, so you should be careful with those positions. I love the look of EU, but again, we need trade throughs, and we're not going to have fair value gaps. With a price like this. No CRT, which would have been favoured if we had that at literally half past. Forex trading has got a bad name to it. Whenever someone asks me, I just say I work a job. Yeah, I just say I work in finance. Oh, what, you work in Forex Exchange? What, like at Stansted Airport? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I do, love. That's what I do. That's what I might just start saying. I'll just tell them I do OF. Come on here, you little monkey. You cheeky monkey. Get the fuck up. Post 2 PM makes sense to me. Thoughts on EJ? EJ, I'd say UJ your best positions really, bro. So I say that GJ probably your nicest. GJ shorts were great this morning. EJ, I mean, again, you don't want to sell where we are, but again, at the same time, we've not been shown that we're bearish yet. But that's where I look to go. Poor price action in EJ, no 15 minutes at all. There's not even a trade through we can look at there on a 15 or the 5 by looks of things. That's what foreign exchange means. I've got 2 brothers but no siblings. Type shit. I look for longs on EU, bro. Yeah. But need to confirm that we're going to start moving up, because if we're not, then we're going to see us move up a little bit later on in the day. Volume kicks in 2:30, so we still got a bit of time till volume actually starts coming into the markets. In terms of the end of the week, we've still... Yeah, it's not really much going on. Let me zoom in a bit. So it's a bit easier to see. News at a 3 red file. The revised UN consumer, that's orange. Just looking to come higher. That's positive for the dollar. Fucking do something, man. But how did our week go? How did everyone's week go, man? Not a bad week in the markets at all, really. Not a bad week at all. Oh, see, I really wanted us to see us come to that Friday 50 before going up. We've still got to wait. We probably have... Full Port Friday. Hear what they're talking about the PC. Yeah, we said the stocks decrease for that poor PC data. Inflation not going up. Yes, Aaron, what's good, bro? Yes, Tommy. What you saying, lads? What time's news? We don't have any news, bro. Any high impact anyway. See, that's a good thing, Stu. That's why it's always so good to stay busy. Man, assuming you TP'd, right? Is there SMT? Nah, not really, bro. The only divergence we've really got between euro and the pound is that the pound's just weaker. Currency's just weaker than the euro. Lisa Cook. If she hasn't actually done that, that's actually quite peak. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Asia's DXY has really come high, which is lovely. Again, we've come to that 4 hour that we wanted to fill, but I want to start seeing reversals at this order block that we're currently at. We've still got time. We should really see the dollar come lower because it still does indicate that inflation is not moving, still sticky, which can obviously hold the dollar a little bit, but because we're having an interest rate cut, it should really be looking still bearish. But we've not seen price really give us that yet. S&P futures down. Asia index is down. Hang Seng up. What's this line I've got here? Oh, it's just in between that gap and. But yeah, after that news, we've not really had much movement, so I feel like we are waiting for a lot more volume. I think we did lose a lot of volume in the stock market as well due to the PCE. A lot of stocks coming down for it. No, yeah, do you know what I'm saying? This morning was just annoying. Not enough volume. Makes sense for a Friday though, right? Just makes sense. Boys, if you're not a sub, make sure you're sub to the YouTube, man. Yeah, GJ was really nice for Asia. Really nice. The sells from the high to the low. I mean, it's if he was able to get in though, right? In terms of the 5 minute, there's like no fair values. Probably the only one you would have got here. Then obviously price didn't come back up. So GJ was nice in terms of the move, but entry there was fuck all for it. Makes sense. Again, this is Friday for you boys. It's Friday for y'all. Just you, Stu. No, I'm sure there's bare Spurs fans that are. To be fair, I'll be surprised if Tommy hasn't been. We're coming up nicely now. Pissing around. Our bets do, man. Spurs have cooked, to be fair. They have cooked. Be good to see them play. Fuck you, man, but. Stop pissing about. I think half two we're really going to start getting in. Because we're just not moving yet. It's just no volume here. Hmm. Come on here, you get up, son. Again, we haven't had this 5-minute trade through yet, which we're still looking for in order to see price come up. But I like the way we've left this 5-minute here. This is really nice. So hopefully we get to keep that. We'll see. We're really fucking around, so just got to confirm it. It's pissing around. Imagine Richarlison up top with Savinho, Xavi and Kudus behind him. Such a fucking... Such a cold team, really. Yeah, it's really pissing around. I think we're really going to start seeing it around half two. What the fuck is this advert on Bloomberg? Yeah, no, we looking over anything, we do look mainly fucking bearish, so we just got to wait for it to come in. Friday mixed with August month close, just us if we were drawing that range. Yeah, trust me, it's so true. It's so true. Probably the lowest volume we're going to have this year. Oh yeah, let's do my Le Bon. Let's do that right now. Let's have a look. Very weak month for the S&P. Right, Le Bon. Chelsea, Fulham, Chelsea at home. I feel like going 3-1 Chelsea. What's the pattern with Cole Palmer though at the moment? This H4 sweep really confirmed a lot. What was that on, sorry, MH? Still one of my longs for 1.16, just not just today. Yeah, 100%. I'm assuming you're trading it. What are you trading at 1.1? I'm going to take Macy's money, click the link, that's crazy. Chelsea, Fulham, I'm going 3-1. Man United, Burnley. I'm going to go Man United. I mean, they've really had a shit start. Surely they've got to beat Burnley at home, though. I'm going to go. I might go 1-0. Fuck, I'm just going to go 1-0. Sunderland, Brentford. Let's see if they've got any injuries at the moment. I'm not even too sure. Surely not. It's the start of the season. Brentford, Sunderland. Let's just go with a draw. I'm just going to go 1-1. I don't know, that's bare hard. I'm just going to go 1-1, fuck it. Spurs, Bournemouth. Spurs got to beat them 3, I'll say 3-0. Actually, no. What do we reckon? Spurs, Bournemouth. Spurs home. Spurs are surely smashing them. I'm going to go 4-1. Just go 3-1. Same as the Chelsea game. Wolves, Everton. Both kind of shit. Wolves at home though. Wolves, Everton. Spurs 3-1. Spurs 3-0 up. 3-1's a shout. Brentford 2-0. Brentford 2-0 is a shout. But I feel I don't know. Sunderland home. I feel like Sunderland are going to do good at home. I think they're going to... I'd definitely say they'd score. I might change that bet. I might favour Brentford. Wolves, I reckon, are going to do shit. I'm going to go 2-1 Everton. I'm going to say 2-1 Everton. Leeds versus Newcastle. Ooh. Leeds, Newcastle, boys. Leeds, Newcastle. You would have thought Newcastle. Leeds at home, though. I'm going to go 1-0 Newcastle. Brighton versus Man City. Brighton are playing home. Brighton and City. It's got to be Man City, but what score are we thinking? Brighton have got to score a goal at home. I'm going to say 2-1 City. Forest, West Ham. Forest, West Ham. I hate to say it, but they're just obviously going to beat us. I'm going to go... Oh, bro, I hate betting against your own team, bro. But West Ham are just fucking shit. I kind of don't have a choice. City 2-1. City 2-1 I think is a shout. Is a shout. Nottingham Forest, West Ham. Oh! It's got to be 2-0 Nottingham Forest. Oh, such a shit thing to have to fucking say. Ooh, Liverpool Arsenal. Ooh, that's a good game. Where's that at? Is that Liverpool? Yeah, that's at Liverpool. I don't know, you know. Got a new signing in. Lovely stuff. Boys, get the fucking the La Bombe. The pots are currently £100. So if you predict right, at the moment this week is 10%. 10%. £10 risk. Pretty much £10 in the pot. If you win it all. Pardon me. Liverpool Arsenal, man. I'm gonna go 1-1. Aston Villa Crystal Palace. It's got to be... Well, Aston Villa at home. It's got to be Aston Villa win, right? I'm just going to go 2-1 Aston Villa. That's my predictions. Right, let's see how we go. What do you reckon for my predictions, boys? Yeah, I put Villa. To be fair, I don't think Crystal Palace are going to score. I think 1-0 is a better shout. I think 1-0 is a better shout for Aston Villa Palace. I can't see Palace scoring. Their defence is alright though. That's why I don't think they're going to score so much. I'm going to go... yeah, 1-0 Aston Villa is a shout. I'm going to go... Yeah, I'm going to say 1-0 Aston Villa. That's a good shout. Current pot's 110, boys. If you win, you win £110. Sat charging watching the TV. Come on, Nick. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Like, Palace would likely win if they're at home doing well. They are doing well, but I think it's mainly their defence that's quite good. Pardon me. Sorry, that was fucking disgusting. You have some money, I'll take it back in the bomb. You cheeky bastard. Cheeky bastard. How does that even work as well? I didn't even know you could donate on YouTube. Thanks for the £2, Steve. What, do you not like my predictions there? These are my predictions, boys, right? Here we go. I'll read through them again. Chelsea, Fulham. I've gone 3-1. Man U, Burnley. I've gone 1-0. I should say the team. Chelsea 3-1. Man United 1-0. Sunderland, Brentford. I got 1-1 draw. Spurs, Bournemouth. I got Spurs 3-1. Wolves, Everton. I've got Everton 2-1. Leeds, Newcastle. I've got Newcastle 1-0. Brighton, Man City. I've got City 2-1. Nottingham Forest, West Ham. I don't even want to say it. I've got 2-0 Nottingham Forest. It's just a fake fan, isn't it? Fake fan. Liverpool, Arsenal, I got 1-1. I feel like that might even be... I'm going to change that to 2-2. I think they're going to draw. But I'm going to put 2-2 for my prediction there. Aston Villa, Palace, 1-0 Aston Villa. I can't see Crystal Palace scoring, but I can definitely see them, their defence being strong. But Aston Villa got to come through and score 1 at home, surely. I'll change that to 3-0. Shut up, Mehmet. Shut up, mate. I already hate myself from saying it out loud and also putting a bet on, but it is what it is. We'll see how it goes. When's our first game? Yeah, 3 PM course. What have you boys got? What are your guys' predictions? I mean, you probably shouldn't actually say. Actually, I mean, it's not like I'll be doing well, so you're going to copy me. I think on the leaderboard, where am I on the leaderboard? Wait, no, is this stats? Yeah, stats. So far this season, out of 21 people, I am 10th. Sorry, not only am I 10th, I'm joint 10th with 1, 2, 3, 4 other people. So I'm like pretty much literally near enough last. Type thing. Type sort of thing. Dirty Water. Who's Dirty Water? He's doing his thing. See, Stu, you said you're doing shit. You're third. Joint third, but you're third. Whether I put this live, Le Bomb is our arm. Hear that. Oh, EG's having a nice movement off. 1 hour. 88% odds now. Yeah, do that, Mehmet. You can help me out then, bro, because it's not going too well for myself. How does it work, Stu? So the leaderboard at the end of the season, whoever wins at the end of the season is do you get anything else, or is it just the weekly wins? You think United are going to keep a clean sheet? Oh, it's a good point. It's a good point. You got me double thinking. Right, you know what? I'm gonna go. You know what? I'm gonna go 1-1. Stop changing my decision, guys. Stop changing me. Right, bruv. Stop fucking changing my mind. That's it. I'm not changing anymore. Why is this monitor's like halfway on the fucking camera? No, I could have having a field day with mates. Mates a clip farm without him realising it. If I had a good enough device, I'd clip the fuck out of him. Can't tell if that's like a bad thing. Is United home? United are home, so I am sort of favouring United, but it's quite a good point. I mean, they've had a shit start already. Their keeper's dog shite. I would have said in normal circumstances United would beat Burnley there, but it's a good point. They've got a really shit goalkeeper. So I think keeping a clean sheet... I think 2-1 Man U's not a bad... Fuck! Fine, I'm changing this last time to 2-1 Man United. Fine. Fine, just because you guys said. Innit? Right, that's it now. I'm not changing it anymore. I'm not changing it anymore. Blood, we're losing to Burnley. We're starving for a win. We're actually shit right now. Yeah, man. You and I both, pal. You and I both. I mean, you're like the fucking biggest club in the fucking the UK, so you should really be doing better. Burnley have no goal threat. 2-0 or 1-0. Burnley don't score. Stop changing my decision, Cole. This is what I mean. It's a good point, but at the end of the day, with Onana in goal, it almost feels like you don't need a threat. You sure about Liverpool Arsenal? I reckon Liverpool will win 3-1. Clip this. No. Stop fucking changing my mind, bro. No, I'm sticking 2-all. Liverpool Arsenal. At the end of the day, they're the top two of the league, going off last week's. Mate, we lost to Grimsby. Everyone and their nannies. Think of that poor clown on Twitter that is not cutting his hair till United win 5 in a row. Oh yeah. 5 in a row is just a joke, though. And if that's the thing, like, the Carabao Cup should be like where you get those wins added on, and they're literally fucking kicked out of it now from Grimsby Town. I hope Grimsby actually do well, man. That's why I like the Carabao Cup. You've actually got so many teams that just shit on English clubs. Trust me, bro. Arsenal losing to Liverpool. Oh, stop. Because I was bare thinking that. You're a bastard. Okay, you know what? Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm gonna go Liverpool 3, Arsenal 2. 3-2. Now fuck off, boys! For God's sake, man. Shit in hell. That's it, you. Let's go, bruv. Let's go. Kick up. Go. Stop pissing about. I've had Liverpool win both teams to score on Mallorca, but Mallorca is 178-1. That's cold. Is that good for an ACCA? I don't do betting at all. This is the only time I've actually betted. Or bet. Is betted a word? It's probably not a word. First time I bet. It's one of those games. It's one of those games, everyone's excited for, then it'll be 1-1. No, keep it 2-2 or 1-1. Fuck, Mehmet! That's what I'm saying. I think it's going to be a draw. But then also, Cole's got a good point, though. Cole has a very good point there. Yeah, trust. Oh, bro. I think... no, you know what? I'm going back Liverpool. Bro, stop fucking making me change this, boys. I'm going 2-2. This is the last one. 2-2 Liverpool, Arsenal. Okay, I'm keeping it as that. Actually, no, I like 3-2. 3-2, I'm going to keep it 3-2. I'm going to give it 3-2. I'll keep 3-2. Bro's so indecisive. I'd personally keep 1-1. For fuck's sake, man! Remember, if I'm wrong, you can do my Le Bon for me next week. And if I win, you can have half of it. Get your dog to pick. Bro, my dog would just run around in circles and piss herself. My dog's like almost a bit retarded in that way. Draw sounds good to me if we win. It's a good point. Alright, fine. The last time. I'm going 1-1. I'm going back to my original 1-1. And I fuck off, boys, yeah? Shut up. All of you. 1-1 Liverpool Arsenal, that's what I'm going. Go back to my original. Forest 3-0. Fuck off, Mehmet. No. No. I don't even care if we're wrong or right here. I can't put 3-0. I've already had to take my heart out of my chest and put 2-0. We definitely could do. We've got to see this 5-minute close first because we've not actually got this fight. We've not actually confirmed this 5 minutes, so we need a 5-minute closure. Don't want to see it come back down. Shushman helmet. Maybe I just can't put 3-0. I just can't, bro. I just can't put 3-0. I can't. I think if we lose to Chelsea 5-0 away, 5-1, pardon me. I will not apologise you. I low-key hate you for saying 3-0. Closure in just over 2 minutes. Does anyone else want to share their Le Bon? Who's done it? Stu, Josh, Dirty Water, Seth, Alex, Jed, Vishal, Elliot, Glyn, KFP. Make sure you sub to the YouTube, boys. Make sure you sub. Oh, actually, MH, you're a mod in the Discord, right? You're a mod, yeah? Oh wait, I can see him now. I can see the fake MMFXs. I need to ban them, don't I? Let's have a look at Stu's predictions. This is Stu's predictions. Can I read them out, Stu? Oh, fucking hell. I don't trade Fridays, bro. So this is Stu. So Leeds Newcastle, he's got Newcastle 3-0. Brighton Man City, he's got Man City 3-2. Forest West Ham, he's got Forest 3-0, the cunt. Liverpool Arsenal, he's got Liverpool 2-1. Aston Palace, Aston. Bro. Aston. Villa Palace, he's got Palace 2-1. Oh no, 1-0, sorry. Chelsea Fulham, we've got Chelsea 3, Fulham 1. Man United Brentford, he's got 2-2. No, sorry, Burnley, not Brentford. Tottenham Bournemouth, he's got Tottenham 3-1. Wolves Everton, Everton 1-0. I've got Everton 1-0, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I've got Everton 2-1. Aston Palace. Are you going to take this, bro? I don't trade Fridays, Justin. It's the only day I don't trade out of the week. This is just something I'm looking at. Plus, I only trade London session. This is what I'm looking at. I think this looks really nice. I'm still looking for that weaker dollar, so I think this does look really tasty. But I do want to sell this to you guys. Yes, Don't just run off, you bastard. Don't you dare. Don't do it. Do. Could miss entry here. We are coming back down here. That's a shout, Mehmet. That is a shout. We've got to open now. Hey, on this day 10 years ago, we beat Liverpool 3-0. If I get the cafe, I have plans to make outside pods. I'll make one trading the office from home, just serve coffee and food all day for free. That's fucking sick idea, to be fair. We're coming down bears on EU. Years ago, bruv. It's all gone downhill since then, you man. That's when we had like Sacco and Lanzini and that. $60 for him is actually decent, to be fair. Nice reversal, we're in EU. Throwback Lanzini. We only just got rid of him. Yeah, there were better times, Aaron, mate. Better times. No, I'm joking. West Ham have always been kind of shit, to be honest. Come on. 16 dudes in the clan. Oh yeah, I think it was just a War Days finished, didn't it? I think we won that day. And you man stick that head on your balls and get out with your day, get on with your day. Bro, like often, innit? Like mad often, bruv. Oh shit, who's actively spacking in war, bruv? You? Who's doing bits? Oh, B-Slam. Yes, B-Slam. Spread. Bit of attack after. So EU does. We're still sort of pissing around near entry. Should start having a bit more volume coming to the markets now. It is after. What's your jobless pal? That's my jobless Brody. Nice reaction from EU, to be fair. The way he stacked on games like that. Well, yields are rising on sticky inflation. That's what's going to make it a little bit harder for potential rate cut. But that's why I think it's so difficult for the Fed right now, because it's actually like quite in between. I wouldn't take this trade, bro. I don't trade Fridays. I trade London session purely as well. The trade I was looking for this morning was the main buy up from Asia low, but we obviously just didn't come up and grab this low. This is what we was looking at during pre-London, and obviously just aiming for the Asia high. Do 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 do. We get a shit reaction from EU actually now. So it's Wednesday today, breath. You're smoking. Swear you be smoking, Brody. That's a good point. If he doesn't come up from here, I honestly think we're just going to continue down a little bit more for the rest of the day. Trust. It's really choppy. Are you in EU? Dean. Yeah, I'm gonna cut out as well. We'll see what this EU does. Keep on your charts, boys. We'll have a little look. I can keep it on mine. Have a little look. Trust me, Aaron, bro. They've been really slow. Really fucking slow. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna keep this on my chart. I'll still probably be on the charts and watching the news for the next half an hour to an hour. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I'll give you boys an update, whatever it does. Brilliant week this week. Price action's been alright. It's been nicer than what we've had in recent months. Start of September will probably start getting a lot nicer now, which I'm quite excited for, to be honest. So get up for the new month. Next week we obviously got LFP Friday and all that lovely stuff. As it is September starting from next week. We start off the week Monday, September the 1st. We've obviously got decent amount of news coming out actually. Not too bad, but yeah. Yeah, volume picking up now. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. We'll see how it goes. I'll catch you boys next week. Love you all. Be safe and don't jump in anything stupid for the rest of Friday. We'll just see how this one plays out. Drop me a message in the